Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have admin or maintainer access. Without it, you cannot add secrets. Once access is verified, open the repository, click Settings, and choose Secrets and Variables, then Actions. Make sure to decide whether the secret belongs to this repository or the entire organization, because scope affects visibility and security. Now, click New Repository Secret to begin. You'll see fields for name and value. This first step prepares the correct context and prevents secret leaks later. Once you click New Repository Secret, enter a clear name using upper snake case so workflows can reference it consistently. You should paste the full secret value exactly as provided. Trimming spaces or accidentally adding a new line will break authentication. If the UI offers environment or repository access controls, set them now so only intended workflows or branches can use the secret. After reviewing name and value, click Add Secret. This encrypts and stores it for actions to consume safely. Now you use the secret in a workflow by referencing secrets. Name, for example, $secrets. My key in a job step. Once done, trigger the workflow to verify authentication, make sure outputs are masked and that the action succeeds. If something fails, check permission levels, whether you added the secret at repo versus organization scope, and recopy the value to remove hidden new lines or encoding issues. As a final step, rotate keys periodically and update workflows to maintain security and uptime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.